Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing kernel configuration is invalid error in Ubuntu. The kernel configuration is invalid error in Ubuntu, and other Debian-based systems, typically surfaces during kernel module builds, often related to VirtualBox, Nvidia drivers, or other third-party software that requires compiling against the kernel, or even during system updates. It indicates that the configuration file used to build the currently running kernel is missing or corrupted, making it impossible for the system to properly build modules or perform certain kernel-related tasks. This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving this issue, covering various causes and solutions, along with detailed explanations and code examples. Understanding the problem. The kernel configuration file, .config, defines the options used when compiling the kernel. It dictates which features are enabled, disabled, built in, or built as modules. Kernel modules,